Hey, what is up, Gifted Guild? I know it's been a while, my bad, but life was lifing, work was working. Y'all know how it goes. But anyways, thanks for pulling up. I always love when y'all pull up, so thanks so much. Quick housekeeping, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, tap the bell, that way you'll know when I post new videos. But today, I'm excited to finally release Code Theft Auto to everybody. I tested it out with a few people, and now I'm ready to just throw it out there into the world for everybody. This is how I taught myself Terraform. I used a Grand Theft Auto 5 theme to, one, keep me engaged and make it fun, and then the biggest thing was to challenge myself to do Terraform, because I had took a bunch of courses, but when the time came for me to actually put hands on keyboard at work, the thing that pays me to stand up Terraform, I just sat there at the screen looking blank, and I was just like, okay, where do I start? So this workshop is the way I filled in that gap to where I'm not staring at the screen blank. It's a challenge. So we're going to get into it. This video, without further ado, let's talk about what Code Theft Auto is, how you can play along, and I just told you why it existed. I needed to teach myself Terraform so I didn't lose my job. Let's go. All right, what's up, challengers? Let's actually get into how to play Code Theft Auto. Okay, first things first, there is a QR code on the screen. If you scan that, it will take you to the register page. Now, the benefit of registering, you don't have to, but the benefit of registering to play the game is each week I will send out updates to the email that you register with of things like when I'm going live on Twitch, when new challenges have been posted, and any other updates pertaining to the game. So that'll be a really good way to stay in the know via email. Now, actual gameplay. First off, there is a GitHub repo. That is going to be your North guiding star. That is going to be your source of truth. This is how you're really going to play the game, because the repo is what's going to house the challenges each week, as well as have, a bunch of other different details. Right now, I'm keeping it bare minimum, so it's not too overwhelming, but I'll show you a little sneak peek of what the repo is going to slowly transition into, where you will actually be able to see full walkthroughs, tips and tricks, and maybe even like some code snippets, a bunch of little other different stuff. So stay tuned for that. So keep checking back to the repo. The next piece is going to be the Twitch live streams. Now, my idea for those is, let's say today is October 3rd, and the challenge for this week is already posted on the repo. And what I'm hoping is that you all are actively during this week, during the weekend, working on the challenge, getting that knocked out however you decide to get it knocked out. And when you join the Twitch stream live next Tuesday on October 8th, you can come in there, you can ask me questions in case you got, stuck on something. You can chat with me about your experience, showcase what work came out of it from you playing the game. And most importantly, you get to watch me sweat as I work through this week's challenge live. So you can see how I tackle the challenge and then ask questions that way. And of course, during the live streams, to keep it fun and interactive, I am adding things like where you use channel reward points to sabotage me. What does that mean? Well, basically, when someone redeems that, I use ChatGPT, y'all know how I love that tool, to blindly create me some code traps. And basically, I'll work through that code trap with not even knowing what it is. It's on a little branch. I just switch over to that branch, and it's going to throw some errors, and you get to watch me work through it. And so I think that'll be some fun, because I want to show the good, the bad, and the ugly when it comes to doing these kind of things, because it doesn't always just go swimmingly, and that's okay. What matters is how you get through it. So I want to make sure I show that. So yeah, y'all can sabotage me. It will be a fun time. All of that leads to building community. Again, with the Patreon chat, where you can come on there. If you get stuck, ask questions, chit chat with other challengers, showcase your work, coming into the Twitch streams, doing the same thing. All those kind of things is just building a nice, fun, and safe space where we're learning Terraform together. Because keep in mind, this isn't just for people who want to learn Terraform. It's for that, but it's also if you've worked with Terraform for years, see if you could get through the challenges, no problem. And maybe you're not even a techie, but you're kind of interested and you enjoy the camaraderie and the chit chat. Well, this is for you.